Hey Chase Racelott, how are you today, Chase? How are you doing? I know you're supposed to be here on the next generation. Yeah, what are you supposed to be doing? Hey, having some fun. Do you want to race? No, Jackson Star. Why not? Because I don't want to race. Because I love Lightning McQueen, not you. Why? Because Jackson Star, we are not racing no more. Okay? I'm sorry. Not sorry. But we piped on the cannon stone. A cannon storm. Jesus, you are Jesus. Jesus, oh Jesus. I be packing the race. Top speed. We waiting to top speed. 200 miles per hour. 210 miles per hour. What's the Cruz Ramirez? Oh man. Cruz Ramirez? Really? Yes, Cruz Ramirez. I'm still running the race. I love Cruz Ramirez. And Daniel Flores. And Lightning McQueen. Oh man. Well, maybe next time. See you later, Jackson Star. Report again, Chase Racelott.